Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today we're gonna do some chicken enchiladas. I've never made them this way. I'm just trying out this recipe. I didn't get it from nowhere else. It's just pretty much I want to try it. So these are two boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I boiled with some water and some salt, and then like a quarter of an onion, and then one whole tomato, which is a pretty big one. So it was like this. And then I'm going to shred this chicken. It's just cooling off, so I just cut it off so it could cool off a little bit. I'm going to shred it, and then I'm going to cook it down with this so it could give it a little bit of flavor, and the enchiladas won't be so like flavorless in the middle. So this is the chicken mixed with the onions, tomato. I put a little bit of pepper, just a tiny bit, and some consomme de pollo. I want to say I put about, just this one, I put about maybe 1 teaspoon of consomme de pollo just to give it a little bit of flavor. And then I'm just going to take this off the fire already, and then I'm gonna start making my little tortillas with the sauce. Okay, and for the tortillas you just need to put them in the oil. So you're warming up your oil, you do one side, not for a long time, and then you take it out. And you don't always have to fry them. I am frying them because I'm not doing it in the oven. But if you're gonna do it in the oven, you can just warm up the tortilla like very slightly in the microwave if you want to. You don't have to. And then you can put them, just stuff them with the chicken in the middle, and then roll them up, put them in a pan. But I'm not gonna do it in the oven, so we're gonna be frying the tortilla just slightly, just a little bit. And when you have enough tortillas, then you stuff them with the chicken. So for the salsa, I've already made a video on how to make green salsa. It's basically the same thing. The only difference that I did with this one is that the tomatoes and the chiles the chile jalapeño was grilled. But I put the same exact things. All I put was salt and pepper. I didn't put any other seasoning in it. So that's how I made the sauce. Okay, and the way you start doing them is you grab a tortilla, you grab some of the chicken, you put it right in the. So for the toppings, it's just going to be sour cream, shredded queso fresco. You could center or not right in the center. So you're gonna fill it as much chicken as you want. You're gonna roll it, and once you have put lettuce, and that's it. I'll show you the end result, so I'll post a picture once I'm done, or a video. I'll put it in. All of them done, you're going to pour the sauce on top of it. Okay, and that's it. Then you will how you plate everything. So this is how it's supposed to look.